Australia thonau zamna mayambu Mami Mapao gi tara humdorak suba episode asida taram nokcheri. Impact bigi so asi minyeng tabiri bapum namakpu no lukcheri. Mahusagum ngasisu entertainment gi world da tongan ba Mapao kaya puduna lakcheri. First of all, thank you so much to all the fans and followers of Mami Mapao. Mami Mapao gi mamang gi tara ni thoirak suba episode ta miyam gi comments, suggestions amadi appreciation singi damak thagacheri. So asi hena phazaba hena mapug phaba so ama o hena bohna bada adom gi support yam changi. So folks, please keep supporting Mami Mapao. So dear subscribers, Mami Mapao gi tara humdorak suba episode asida Mami Mapao na karam ba Mapao sing purakli bagi haibadu ahan bada thamsake. Ihan han boina lakliba Mapao asi Miss Good 2017 gini. Ani subada Mamla Sanu Taibang Palgi release ama. Ahum subada Likla selfie contest ki entertaining oiba Mapao ma. Mari subada thamjariba asina Aiwa India gi rally against women abuse and domestic violence ki Mapao ama. Thamjari manga subada movie inagta leidingai gi release ama, and finally aroi boina Taruk subada the first ever Maitai Pangal festival Kokum festival gi Mapao ama. Miss Good as expected this 2017. Supporters mayamna first Manipur Rifle Ground that tinduna pangtokre aduga Esther Ningfilhing Haukip Miss Good 2017 lawkre.
Lisang sina chathaduna lakpa iramdam masigi kuki chin mizo furuk ki lawrok matungda pangthokpa harau tayamba phongdokpagi kumhai Good Festival state ki thakta the state level Good committee na sinduna mapung oiba thoram November gi haukiba tangamada ahanba Manipur Rifles ki ground da chanabi gi thoram kayaga loinana mapung fana pangthokre lawrok matungi kumhai asi tongan ba lup kayana Manipur gi mafam kayada pangthokpagi mathakta malem gi mafam kayada su mai pak na pangthoknari kumhai asigi manung channa miyam na khaurang na ngai na khiba Miss Good contest first ever ground da pangthokhiba da final contestant taramapan na athoya hem changdam nadina top 5 finalists amadi subtitle winners sing khangatki amadi aroibo oina hatnai chong Daniel Kangjam amadi Esther Nengpilhing Haukip ahumna mathang sitna second runners up first runners up amadi Miss Good 2017 gi title lowki.
Congratulations again, Miss Esther. We hope to see more exciting changes next year. Mamla Sanu Taibang Pal Hairiba feature film asi saknairaba filmmaker Oken Amakchamna lamjingduna MFSDS ta release tawkre. Film asi saknairaba artist kayana su kumni.
Imalay Sem Inat Loisang Film Production gi banner makhada ahan ba puthok poina Laipa Luang gi Mamla Sanu Taibang Pal haina mingthon ba feature film amasu saknair ba filmmaker Oken Amakchamna lamjing lamtak tuna amati Nirmala Chanuna mathang khanba lamjing lamtak pioiduna November gi haukiba tang ama yumsakai sanimitta Palace compound laiba MSFTS ki holda saphongduna miyam da khudol tamkhre.
Film sina khoi na pi ni khalo message se khoi gi Manipur da hingminari ba dagi khoi gi malem se hingminari ba thong manada ba awa ba ma sunungai ba ani se purna hingminaga da bani haiba sigum ba yamna nungsiba message sama pi bai tare khoi gi yong da sajaba khoi gi sel sing na saba phiron sing se khoi na auze khoi na usalaktre mam khoi maksu yum da khudai set pai se yam toina iruja bagum na na topa matam da setra bane do film sina asoba sigi Manipur gi economy da mating piba oigane na khanjai simaina mipum khuding mangna khoi gi yong si puning thogot piraga di khoi economy da syam chauna mating pangane na khanjai
tasengna khoi masi pambham thoe maramdi akhoi isagi tradition ne tungi generation amada akhoi maitei gi culture si kamaina tarongge haibasi mangkhi basuyai adubu mangdanaba masigi film si akhoina oja singna tawbi bane masida isamak saru yaba phangjagi basisu ingonda kai haitare yamna nungaiba feelings ama phange masig siguma film si aigi wakal dadi tangai phadana matung da su adum puthok pasi phabra haina su khale mayamna haina bi da lairaga su haina bi na ba honna minasi koi maitai gi tradition isagi culture kawba togumsi
Sin Kudimakta Lamdamasigi Yelhongaidagi Leiraklaba Ningthiraba Chana Lonchat Fizet Chaksa Kayagi Fazaba Mami Singbu Tahanduna Miyamgi Pugning Chingsin Hanbagaloinana Lamdamasigi Yelhongaidagi Leizaraklaba Fazaba Kayabu Thokliba Filmasida Nikki Reddy Sylvia Sagar Sarojini Priyo Gopal Sana Handiamadi Satya Priyana Chingba Kayana Mamiroi Singh Oiri Ina Khunba Achoba Miyoi Singhna Lairaba Miyoi Singhbu Hanthana Yengbiba Tathi Tawaina Tawbibadagi Thoglakpa Thokhaningdaba Thodok Singhna Lamdam asida oihaliba awabada yumfam oiba warida pankhatliba film ase saphongbagi thauramatuda Laingaki Commissioner Works K Radha Kumar Imalai Sem Inat Loisangi President CH Ongbi Chanu Chenbi Loinana Laingaki Planning Department ki Director Dr. TH Munindro Ahumna athoiba lengbirakpa thauram mapu amadi akhanaba lengbirakpa oiduna thauram mapung phanki
Manipur film sing no mai tegi pi shechela di automatically pi shadde ya ra roi ba adu di yong pi mi ama han daing polong lei ba si yong pi hingla ni dra adu so aso bot taning po nam na adu su khanja ba ha ba da oyo ina ni ke no porao ni film na ma si bo ari film na hoji ki film la kari wari no kain to ba kitang confusion aman lei ni agu taseng ba mai tei khoi gi oi ba poti mai tei khoi na ku de set ba je ai ngarang ho na te ba yellow degi laser ba polam ne ba na hun ning sang ta di o apuni khudai se pasi gi phajaba lai ko khudai se pasi kano lai ko hai do khanga di hena apabu kunai ama apabu puru mo ko rakada ai film ja mating pangani na khalga adom attempt to bana
ta khagem bagi mana ma lege
ta khagem ba nang di misna hoida ke dormi ba hangtang manak se milak talak yeng laga misna hoida he phamjale hai na ta
Pare pare nakhoi miyam lamba pare imana sune nakhoi miyam unaningdana leirambani
khoi ta khagem bala ami do kai gino
Kairigi oini ta tomthingki pau purakpana tanga
as ibema nang ta khagem bagi ningai sidine khangba lakpa ngamba zat nati khutak amani aine mago onsinaraga wari sanaba tandana imada leite na hailagane imungda lodiba.
Well, that was indeed a very great movie. Mayam su soidana mityang tabiyo. And we expect more new movies from our only Okenda Mukjam. And next, as always, we have Likla Selfie Contest. Likla Bakery na sinba selfie contest tagi ay kogi tenjing na interaction tawba do mayam bidyang taminas. Shablo toroga. Oh, like.
Okay, we're here in front of Likla Bakery with all the top 10 winners of the Likla Selfie Contest.
And you know what, Tenjing, and you know what, guys? There is the winners inside, 12 of them, 10 top 10, 2 winners, and there's someone special inside also. And who is he?
Balahism.
Yay, Balahism is inside, and we're gonna talk to her. Catch us there. Bye-bye.
Thangjam Agro Industries ki asa thaki lamda thoidok hendokna miyamna sakhanglaba likla na sinlangduna brand asibu promote tawnun ba amadi selfie pamjab singda makoi gi selfie singadu miyamda uthok chanana ba achauba khudong chaba ma piba oina Facebook ki khuthangda pangthokpa likla selfie contest ki mana mathum yenthok pu thauram November gi hokib tang marida moirang khom de leba likla bakery de pangthok rei.
Hi everyone, we have the brand ambassador of Likla with us, and also she is the most gorgeous and the most beautiful lady in Manipur, the actress, the superstar Balahism.
Liklaga associate tawjarakpase chahi mari sure.
Rana hek film gi line da lakpadagi an album gi line da film gi line da sum sangsi lakpada jik brand ambassador mina Likla gi oina su laire ko adu bala se outside ki have the South ki film ga sadum associate way create like so much of success in a very short journey or a very like hojikti am naha oi ridana ko secret of your success se mayam like share to biram
success oibase ai huzik phawgidi oidri na khanjai ai wakhanda maramdi khoina leiba chang adagi khoina tawjari basidi khji khaktane na khale a phawba mapung pha na I ba loidri na khale khoina I gadabana a dagi na z phawna I gadabse
yam phajaba wakhal lo ne adu likla gi brand ambassador man likla gi product su dum chabiranguni balagi khwaidagi favorite product se keno likla de
likla gi favorite se likla gi ising aduga likla bakery dagi egg patty
mayam Bala's favorite egg patties mayam likla bakery da loi lakpiu mayam khonggi let's try it
like khwaidagi hena fangba top 10 amadi most creative fiber kanglup singda haiba changdam naba si pangthoki likla gi brand ambassador amadi iramdam asigi saknai rabi mami roi bala su thauram du saruk yaraduna mapung fan ki amadi makok mathang taraba singda mana mathum sing khushinaki.
Hello again, I'm here with the winner of the most creative selfie liglagi selfie contest ki part amo oina winner ani khali that is likes ki base toraga amadi creative ki best toraga and we have Bowen Tokjom
aise khar arts kuma da khar pamjaiba school da su arts lore da aina likla gi aigi photo da hojik likla gi coconut cookie do adu aiga tediga chikna bagi bong da thagapaneba
selfie contest se Facebook ta ka ta oibanina adom gi Facebook gi friends sing support to birakba adagi moidagi kamaina moidagi respond kamai phangbiki habadom tang haibi
selfie thagat pase ai se share tawdeba asing wede share tawdaba ai gi friend na tawpa mayam ai gi my sister friend my friends and all moina sum mi je khom phakpanida so adagi I thank you mostly Ligla for conducting this and my sister Barbina Thoksom. I'm very thankful to her and my girlfriend Penny Gurumayum for collecting votes for me. Moi khangapadami ahum khangale da aina cannot 293 likes phanga vote phanga ko reacta aduda ngam gimne
liglagi oiba kai hai petang macham tang wari macham tang oiro what does ligla mean to you adum tang hai biramo
everyone visit the Ligla bakery it has delicious foods items and all and especially I like the cookies and please buy the cookies from stores and enjoy it. Thank you.
Selfie Ligla.
Alright, congratulations to all the winners. You'll be seeing the winners in the billboard on the way with Balahism. Okay, so to the top 10 winners and to the most likes and the most creative, congratulations from Mami Mapao.
And yes, that was Tanjing and Strela signing off. Bye-bye.
Wow, so many supporters of Ligla and of course our Bala. The winner gets to be a part of the poster campaign alongside Balahism. Isn't that something so awesome? Anyways, let's take a short break and I'll be right back.
Housing for All by 2022 mission PMAY CLS Urban Amadi Graben gi makhada hanana urban area khaktamak subsidized home loan gi khudong chaba pizarambadu hauzekti rural area gi supai khatchare lupa lakh taruk fawgi loan amount ta interest rate 8.6% per annum EMI lakh amada lupa chani pan ga homtra mari urban area gi oina interest subsidy asi lupa lakh ani ga lising hom phutare ni amadi rural area gi oina lising kuntra ni pani zero processing fee oigini regular home loan lupa lakh taruk tagi na lakh yankhai fawbada interest interest rate asi 12.5% per annum ni. Hena akupa marol gidamak Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited ki head office Uripok amadi branch office singda lengsin biraklaga khangbiraba yagani. Terms and conditions apply. Khanganzariba Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited.
Welcome back again. Amukahan na Mami Mapao da tarap nokchari. Iowa, Indiana, Rajan BK in association with Amar Cine Production Mumbai ga kutsam na duna peace rally amachat kibagi mapawma yengminasi.
Nupi angang gi mayok ta chathaba madi imong manung gi miyot minay sing punna thengna minarasi haba wakhalonda Iowa, India, Manipur na Rajan BK Associate amadi Amar Cine Production Mumbai ga punna khutsam naduna peace rally ama November gi haukiba tang tarukta pangthokre. Ayuk pung tara tabadagi kanglagi nongchup thangba sanathongdagi lamthaduna haukiba khongchet aduna pauna amadi thangal kaithel fauduna nagamapal paringda laktuna Khwai Brahmapurda lamthungpham oiduna loisinki. Panbayai lakliba December Mari amadi Mapanda Mumbai da pangthokadoriba Iowa India 2017 Grand Finale da Manipur bu mohut sinduna yum pandriba kanglupta Archana Konsam amadi Naurem Tony Maitei loinana yum palaba kanglupta Adafro Sylvia Homen Mangsatabam Thangbai Kyalin Guiti amadi Asakiran Konsam punna makhoi tarukna saruk yarugadauri.
Iowa is organizing just such kind of event by spreading the message all over India, because this cases of domestic violence, child abuse, women harassments and other certain things are happening all over India. So we are trying our best level in such a way that we give a little message to the society.
Rally asin nupi angang gi mayok ta chathaba amadi imong manung gi miyot minay sing punna muthatlasi haiba social cause ki matangdan. Yamna faba public campaign amani. So thanks Iowa team. Iron Bowl film Makada Puthokpa inakta leiringai haiba film MFSDS ta release tau kibagi mapawma yengminasi.
Iron Ball Production ki banner makhada Manoranjan Longjam na lamjing lamtaktuna Anil Longjam na puthokuna inakta leiringai haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film ama Impact TV na media partner hoiduna haukiba October ki tang 19 thang janumita MSFDS Palace compound gi ningthiraba hall da jinglem na thauram ama galoina haunabi matungina premiere show utuna leibak miyam da khudol tamkrei. Soma, Kaiku, Rahul, Narmada, Reddy, Devita, Asina Chingba, Saknai Rabi Mamiro Kiana Satam Langliba, feature film asigi, cinematography ki thaudang Regan Lauri, Premanand Nongthongbomna, editor ki thaugai Lauri. Premier show utpagi thorma the art and culture, Government of Manipur ki director Dr. K. Sushila, Film Forum Manipur ki chairman Samjit Chabum Mangol Jau, Saknairaba filmmaker amadi cultural activist Ningthauja Lancha, Loinana Cine Actors Guild ki vice president amadi senior actor Ningthauja Zaibedia Marina, Athoiba Lengbirakpa, Thauram Mapu amadi Akhanaba Lengbirakpa sing oiduna Thauram Madu Hen Mapung Fahanki.
Ibhemal the phone toro bhangadabadasu like khaima tade. Ngai khone ma bu khangna banu ba to paga lei lak prai ba
Khangdi ma lai moi ma di sida aina tana kanam ta suti na bana
Yambu Kaiku is everlasting oiradum later. Naire gaino. And the team did an awesome job. The quality is on the spot. Aroiba oina Manipur ki ihan hanba Maitei Pangal Festival, Kokum Festival, Imphal Hotel da pangthokibagi mapao mamuk meeting taminasi.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Winter is here and so is the festive season. And to kick off the festivals, we have the Kokum Festival by the designer Muhammad Ali, and widely known as Boy. It is a special show, handicraft Maitei Pangal show by the designer of B Square, that is Yumkhaibam Mr. Muhammad Ali. So let's have a look and check out the highlights of the event.
Mami Mapao.
kokhum phi nupi singi ningthiba lemjaba matau mathoi hapliba leitengni amaromda amuk piklabasu pikna lam kayada mangjil thana chenkhalakliba kanglei pak asibu malemda masak takna na bahonabada achauba thodang kya lauduna lakliba maitei bangal furup ki irei cha singni pumna makasigi langdaida yumkhaiba mohammed ali na khudol tamduna kokhum festival haiba mingthol na leitengduna maitei bangal furup ki oiba kumhayama november gi hokki batang manga nongmaijing numita hotel imphal by the classic the chinglem na pangthokre manipur state minorities commission gi chairman said burhanuddin na athoiba lengbirak pa oiduna thorom mapung fan ki bagal hoinana iram damasigi tongan tongan furup singi oiba lauthup lakoi leitaba nat ki changdam naba kyana irei pak asigi nat amadi channa lonchatpu saukhat hamad ngamgani haiba pautak thambiramki.
We have the showstopper of tonight, the most gorgeous, the beautiful lady, Miss Soma Laishram. Soma, welcome to Mami Mapao.
Thank you.
You're looking gorgeous. Like, who are you wearing?
Boy and Bijen B Square. Maitai Pangal gi oiba khoigi manguraba cultural dress adigi moigi phazaraba fijol ase akhoi ngasi gi designer boy Bijena puthoaga ngasi kokum festival asida mayam mamangda mukna hongna na showcase oba se si hainingai leitana thagat chaba made harauba pokchai aduga kokum festival asi chahi khudingi leptana pangthoaga asungumna ba phazaraba maitai Pangal gi oiba fijol singse mayamda mukka hena uthopangamba oishnu haina wish tawzari.
Thank you so much. That was wonderful. Aduga mayam da Soma gi paujal ga loina na agency looking gorgeous again, the princess Soma Laishram. Everyone bye. Well, the designer for tonight from the B Square, Mr. Bizen Ilangbam.
Tamu bagi matuk ina hujiki chana bije. Hogi miamda kamaina hogi Muslim gi society ay tay no pising sida moina yam comfortable zo iba aduga magi masagi hakchang uhanda moi diade na ko adugi ju masada ju iba aduga hujiki up to date ki matuk ina ju kitang high level da kidum mana sela ga di hena phajagadra hai mong da dum bagi theme amada sigi festival hijab ki festival ji matuk ina koina mai tawjagi ba uchagi ben.
Man behind all this event, we have the designer, the protagonist of the event, Mr. Yongkhaibam Muhammad Ali, which is widely known as Boy. Kokum Festival je mayamna ikhang khangna de ahan ba oina su tawe Kokum Festival hai se kaino ado mayamda hana thambiram se.
Kokum Festival is a part of koi product system ni generation to generation change up evolution up fashion se ko ado hajuji ki fashion trends da hijab hai ba post yam tin advance hoiba sigi post da khoina hijab is the same thing Kokum hai ba same language se Kokum har gar Manipur ni in terms of Manipur ni but hijab har kana international language hoiba same thing sini hauji modern trend da Kokum se is very highest khoi yamna thak wangna chatli haiba tare sini haiba
Maitai Pangan gi oiba main oina promotional oiba event ki idea je krai dagi horok pano aduga sigi je pukhat pada kyamuk wage ge kyam difficulty face tawbi ge
the cinema ki hagdi amtina why kay gina kana this the first time aduga ani subda ai sama ato to creation like akogi different communities singi mayam sigi creation se mayam tawjare this the first time ana akogi scholars and researching ko tanar ba matungda sigi conditions assessment tawgadi comment tawgadi haba just akogi not fix akogi community am to fix of dina taba khamra they the culture and tradition mayam na u taba u phang taba khamra ko sigi reality the best tawjabse sina aina panjabdi akoi mitai pangal community gi oiba tongan ba uniqueness culture so identity hai tai ko traditions is a global platform se ma pame sikhatana te every communities I was trying in my best level aduga international platform dai pu bai sai ge ambition ne
mitai pangan khaktana tana atopa communities sing da su kari message piben ning balagi
ai gi sengna de ai gi mind de ai mitai pangal khakya hai ba su dai te being a Manipuri. Yes, I love every peoples, every communities. Every communities they have their own culture and tradition. Ma'am, say promotion to pande.
That was a beautiful point. On that note, so that was a very different side of our designer side in Manipur, as I can say. Manipur the ihan han boy na inauna design makal kya uwa phangba haiba event to ngasi oikre Kokum Festival. So that was all for tonight's, and that was the highlight. So this is Tenzing Your Horse with cameraman Somorjit. Khuda Hafiz.
Kokum Festival by Yumkhaiba Muhammad Ali na puthokpa Festival of Culture and Heritage to spread peace and unity. The base oiba festival amani. Festival asi kunai asibu henna chitna nuksi nanaba sinba festival amani. So there viewers, that's all we have in this episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you liked it. Mathangi episode ta tongan ba anau ba entertainment gi mapao singa mupudu na lakcheke. But dear fans and followers, do send us your feedbacks at www.facebook.com/Mami Mapao. Thank you for watching Mami Mapao. Goodbye.